Pure vibe coding fucks your code. It feels like magic. You just describe what you want, AI spits out the code, and somehow it works. So no debugging, no grinding, just pure vibes. Quick reminder what vibe coding really is. Karpati said it best. Fully given to the vibes, don't read the diffs. Accept everything. When you get an error, give it back to the model and let it fix it. Forget the code even exists. It's perfect for weekend projects and just throwaways. The problems start when the code has to stay longer than a few days. So what actually happens? First, the patterns go all over. One part of the app use JWT for authentication, another part use session, and in another place there is basically no checks. Error handling is different every time. Database access is a mix of ORM and raw SQL. It looks like four different people wrote the same code base because four different AI sessions did this. Second, massive duplication and bloat. AI just copy the same logic instead of extracting it. You get repeated function, unused imports, dead code, weird abstraction that make no sense. The code get fat and messy really fast. Third, you stop owning it. The code base grows past your understanding. You can run it, you can show it off, but when something breaks at 2 a.m., you are sitting there reverse engineering decision that you never made. Debugging turns into archaeology, and the quiet stuff is even worse. Weak or useless tests, missing validation, security holes, no proper logging, no clean boundaries, just something that works until it doesn't. This creates technical debt that piles up way faster than normal. Generating is cheap, cleaning up is very expensive. That's why people call it wipe slop. Is wipe coding useless? No. It's great for prototype, internal tools, scaffolding, quick ideas, anything you can throw away. It becomes dangerous the second real users, real data, or long-term maintenance show up. So what do people who actually ship do? We still use these tools hard, but we don't pure wipe. We get clear on what we want. We review the important parts, architecture, security, data. We force some consistency. We add the tests and logging the model forgot. And we refactor after the generation is done by the model. Treat AI like a very fast junior engineer, not like a senior engineer. That's the difference between speed and the mess you will hate later. Web coding didn't kill the craft, it just made the cost of skipping the craft faster and higher. Use the speed, keep the ownership of the code because at the end of the day, it's still your code base. Want the exact checklist I use to keep the AI generated code clean? Comment tips and I will send it to you.